Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want an easy, organized way to track how much time you spend on different tasks, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a new sheet in Google Sheets so you can start logging your time and get one step closer to mastering your productivity. Whether you're managing work projects, tracking study sessions, or just keeping tabs on your daily routines, knowing how to add a new sheet is a simple but powerful trick that'll keep your data neat and accessible. All right, let's jump right in. The very first method I want to share is actually a quick keyboard shortcut. If you haven't tried this before, it might just become one of your new Google Sheets favorites. All you have to do is press Shift and F11 on your keyboard at the same time. Just a quick note on some laptops, especially if you're using a Mac, you might need to press the FN key as well, depending on your keyboard settings. But for most users, Shift plus F11 will instantly create a brand new sheet. You'll see it pop up at the bottom of your workbook, right alongside any other sheets you have. It usually names itself something like Sheet 2 or Sheet 3. Super fast, super easy, and you don't even need to take your hands off the keyboard. Now let's look at the second method, which is perfect if you prefer using your mouse or just enjoy a more visual approach. Take your mouse and move your cursor down to the lower left corner of your Google Sheets window. There you'll spot a small plus sign. It might look a little subtle, but it's always hanging out down there. If you pause for a second, a tooltip will appear that says Add Sheet. Now go ahead and click that plus sign. Instantly, just like before, a new sheet gets added to your document, ready for you to name it or start entering your time tracking data. Both these methods do the same thing, but it really comes down to whichever feels more natural for you. Some folks love the speed of keyboard shortcuts, while others really like that satisfying click of the plus sign. There's no right or wrong here, just pick whatever helps you stay in your flow. And just a quick tip, each new sheet is like adding a fresh page to a notebook. You can dedicate one sheet to tracking time on different projects, another for analyzing your weekly totals, or maybe one for brainstorming tasks. It's all about keeping things uncluttered and giving each part of your workflow its own organized space. Don't worry if you accidentally create too many sheets, by the way. You can always right-click on any sheet tab at the bottom and delete or rename it as needed. And if you can't find the plus sign at first, it might be hiding off screen. Try scrolling to the right using the arrow next to your sheet tabs. And that's it, you now know two lightning fast ways to add a new sheet in Google Sheets. With this skill, you're all set to start building your very own time tracking system and take control of your productivity, one sheet at a time. If you found this quick tip helpful, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions or want to share how you're tracking your tasks, I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.